Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18 for fun on. So simply I'm provide full guide. So go to your settings, scroll down, click on wallpaper and select new wallpaper and then showing you to live option. So at first I'm take a live photo. So at first make sure to turn on your live on option. So live on, and I'm just take a live photo. So look here, this is my live photo. I'm just add this my wallpaper. So simply open settings again, go to wallpaper option, click on, select live photo option, press on all, and I'm just select recently take live photo. So just select and then showing you to this option, make sure to turn on. That's mean turn on live and turn off live. So turn on, press on add. Okay, now successfully set live wallpaper. So look here, now successfully set live wallpaper.